Welcome to English.com, the right place to learn English. Today we are going to learn about objects. Object in a sentence means the receiver of the action. Example, John opened the door. Here in this sentence, John is the doer of the action, or he is the subject. Opened is the action word or the verb. The door is the receiver of that particular action. So the door is the object in this sentence. Got it? It is very easy to find out object in a sentence. For that, we have to find out the verb or the action word first. Then we have to ask two questions to it. The first question is what? The next question is whom? First, find out the verb. Ask what or whom. The answer is the object. Let's see some examples now. Dennis and Dana ate omelets for breakfast. In this sentence, Dennis and Dana is the subject. Ate is the action they did, so it is a verb. Now we can ask the verb what. The answer we got is omelette, so omelette is the object here. Lily parked her car under the tree. Parked is the verb here. Parked what? Her car. So her car is the object in this sentence. Rani invited her friends to the party. Invited is the verb here. Whom did she invite? Her friends. So her friends is the object here. Sally called me after the party. Called is the verb here. Whom did Sally call? Me. So me is the object in this sentence. Hope you understood this concept well. Please like, comment and subscribe for more. If you wish to educate your friends too, pass it on. Thank you.